Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to be reviewing some hair care products. I get so many questions about my hair, how I style it, how I keep it looking so nice. Obviously it's bleach, so everyone wants to know how I keep it so healthy. So I'm going to be telling you guys about some new products from a company called Moerie that I've been reviewing the last few weeks. I'm so excited to share these with you guys, so if you are curious on my thoughts on these products from Moerie, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you pronounce this Moerie, but they have a ton of hair care products. They also have other kinds of products that I'll get into later in this video, but we're talking about their hair care products in this video. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked if I wanted to review some of their products. This is a sponsored video, by the way, so thank you, Moerie, for working with me and for sponsoring this video. I have been using these for the last few weeks and I'm so excited to tell you that these are amazing. Okay, I'm just going to start off by saying that they're really good. First of all, they smell so good. I was trying to figure out what it is that it smells like. It's kind of fruity. I want to say it almost smells like a Gatorade, but I'm not 100% sure. It's like a specific smell, but I cannot put my finger on it. But just trust me when I say that they smell really nice and kind of fruity. So Moerie makes natural hair care products with really good ingredients. So first of all, the shampoo is paraben-free, fragrance-free. It does have a fragrance though, okay? I will say that. Cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. It also has 77 minerals in it, has 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. Maybe it's the minerals that I'm smelling, but honestly they smell really good. And the conditioner has macadamia oil and coconut oil in it, I believe. And the shampoo is also paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. So these are really good for your hair. And because my hair is bleached and obviously a little bit damaged from the bleach, I'm always looking for shampoos that are really good for your hair, because if you don't get the right shampoo, your shampoo could also damage your hair. So natural shampoos with clean ingredients are super important to me. I feel like the shampoo made my hair feel way cleaner than any other shampoo I've ever used makes my hair feel. Okay, sometimes I feel like shampoos can almost feel like they leave like a residue on my hair, but this one feels almost like a clarifying shampoo. It feels really nice and it feels like it gets my scalp super clean. I want to mention that when you're shampooing your hair, it's important to only shampoo the roots, and then when you wash it out, the shampoo kind of cleans the rest of your hair, but there's no need to really bring all the soap and suds like, you know, down here all the time. You just want to focus mainly on your root area. And it's the opposite with conditioner. So conditioner, you want to focus it more on your ends versus like your roots. This conditioner, oh my god, okay, it's so good. It makes my hair feel super hydrated, moisturized. When I use this, it's so easy to comb through my hair after a shower, which is so important to me. I find myself using a lot of detangling sprays and oils after shampooing and conditioning my hair, but since I've been using this, I don't need any of that. It's so easy to brush through my hair when it's wet, which is really nice because I hate having to brush through knots, you know what I mean? It scares me. I feel like I'm like breaking my hair when I do that. So I love that this makes my hair feel super hydrated and moisturized. That's important to me, and I will definitely be repurchasing this when I run out because it's a great conditioner. And one of my biggest problems with my hair is that it is dry. You can tell it is very healthy looking. Okay, I try and take really good care of my bleached hair. It is quite dry, but I'm lucky that I don't have, it's not like fried or anything. I don't have much breakage. My hair is shiny and healthy, and it looks really good for being bleached so much, okay? Especially since using the shampoo and conditioner. I don't have any oil or any product in my hair at all. I don't wear extensions. This is all my natural hair, and my hair looks very shiny and healthy. I did wash it last night, so this is clean hair, and yeah, like I said, normally I would put oils and stuff in my hair, but I have not been putting any oils in my hair at all, and no detangling spray, no product at all. Just been washing with the shampoo and moisturizing with the conditioner, and my hair has been looking and feeling so good. So I'm really happy with these. I'm so glad that they reached out to me and asked me to review these shampoos and conditioners because they're amazing and definitely my new favorite. So I will disclose that they obviously sent me all these products for free in exchange for this review, but they also are paying me to talk about these products. But obviously I'm going to mention the price in case you want to buy them for yourself, and I think they are definitely worth the price. So you can buy these products individually on their website. The shampoo is $35 and the conditioner is also $35 a piece, but they also sell like kits or sets where you could buy the shampoo and the conditioner and other products together. I'll have these screenshots of the prices somewhere on the screen for you to see, but I would recommend buying a kit so that you can get them together. The specific set that they sent to me is called the Ultimate Growth and Repair Set. It comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, a hair mask, a growth spray, and an eyebrow serum and an eyelash serum. Okay, I've only been using these products for a few weeks, but I saw immediate difference when I started using the shampoo and conditioner. Immediate results. My hair was immediately smoother and more hydrated after using the shampoo and conditioner. And same with the hair mask. I saw immediate results. This is very hydrating, feels very nice on the hair. This one doesn't really have a scent. I guess it kind of does. It's just very mild. This is what the mask looks like. It's very thick, very hydrating, feels so amazing. But I only mask like once a week, so I've only used this a few times. The Ultimate Growth Spray, I feel like I probably need to use a little bit longer. I don't spray this in my hair every day because I don't wash my hair every day. I only spray this on my scalp after I am out of the shower. So I feel like in order to see dramatic results, I'm going to have to use the whole bottle, but this does feel nice in my hair. This has more of like a mentholy, minty type of smell to it, but it doesn't leave my hair feeling, like it doesn't leave any residue on my hair or anything like that. It feels nice. My hair dries normal, and I'm curious to see how much this is going to make my hair grow after finishing the bottle. And I'm also super excited about these. This is an eyelash and an eyebrow serum. I have false lashes on right now, but I am really into trying to grow my natural lashes and my brows right now, which actually are growing in. Finally, I do have a little bit of product in my brows, but again, I think that I need to be using these for a little bit longer than just a couple weeks in order to see, you know, dramatic results, because obviously our hair doesn't grow overnight. But I was super excited to get these in my box because yeah, my eyebrows and my eyelashes definitely need some help. This is what the applicator looks like for the eyelash serum. It doesn't really have a scent at all, but you just use this and apply a little bit to your lash line. And then this one is the eyebrow growth serum, and it has this little, I think this is called a dofa applicator, and after you wash your face you just go in with this on your brows. So I'm excited to see how good these work after using these for a few more weeks. But out of this entire kit, my two favorite products were definitely the shampoo and the conditioner. I saw immediate difference after using these, and I will definitely continue to use these. These are great. I would absolutely recommend trying these two products specifically. If you're willing to splurge, I would definitely get the kit that I personally received called the Ultimate Growth Kit. It is $199, but I do have a coupon code for you guys that I will put here on the screen, and you can use that coupon code to get 10% off of your order. I also have the link in the description box down below if you would like to purchase some of these products to try yourself. I highly recommend. Also, they have a really cool gold-plated brush on their website that I really want to try. It looks like an amazing brush. I'm super into and picky about my brushes, so I'm actually really curious to try that as well. But I highly recommend trying out Moerie Beauty. They have so many options, so many different products on their website. Definitely, if anything, go give it a look through because they have a lot of interesting stuff. And you know, to answer your questions about how I keep my hair hair so nice and healthy. Even though it is bleached, you guys, my natural color is very dark. So to get it this blonde, it's required a lot of processing, but I have been able to keep it looking very healthy and nice because I do invest in my hair care products, and I do tend to reach for natural, clean ingredients. So definitely check out Moerie Beauty if you also are into clean and natural hair care products, because you will not be disappointed. These are amazing. And if you don't know what to get, try the shampoo and conditioner, okay? And if you've tried them before, definitely let me know down in the comment section below, because I'm curious what your thoughts are. And if you get them because of me or because of this video, definitely let me know also in the comment section below, because I'm very curious.